hello and welcome everyone. My name is Ram Krishna and I will be your tutor in this whole After Effects beginner series. The main purpose of this series is to let you all know what is After Effects and how we can use it to basically make motion graphics and all. So basically अगर हम देखें so why After Effects is used. So I already told you कि जब हमें मोशन ग्राफिक्स करना होता है when we have to do text animation, when you have to create some motion graphics and ऐसी चीज़ें हमें जो क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है जहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्राफिक इंटेंसिव काम होता है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई शो यू सम ऑफ माई आर्ट वर्क जो कि आई हैव क्रिएटेड इन द पास्ट. सो वो कुछ मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. सो वीडियोज़ लाइक दिस are made in After Effects. This was my Instagram handle that I used to operate, but अब वो बंद हो चुका है. ये एटलीस्ट 4 से 5 साल पुरानी वीडियो है मेरी. तो जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट इट. ऑडियो म्यूट है बिकॉज ऑफ कॉपीराइट इश्यूज. सो यू कैन सी कितनी स्मूथ वीडियोस बन रही है. हर एक ट्रांजिशन, हर एक एलिमेंट कितना ज़्यादा निखर के आ रहा है. यू कैन सी हाउ प्रोफेशनल दिस वीडियो लुक्स. So these kind of edits are called AMVs, which is After Effects Music Videos Edits. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा graphic intensive होते हैं and these are definitely a bit more difficult to make. So this is just a part. Another video that I made was this. See, all of this, each and everything apart from this dancing model is made inside After Effects only. So you can see how you can create नाइस वीडियोज़ विद आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स. काफ़ी कुछ आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो. एंड बेसिक व्हाट आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट कि 3D वगैरह वाला जो काम रहता है वो आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से करता है. सो आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़, यू डेफिनेटली नो कि आपको 3D वगैरह में ज़्यादा काम करना है. आपको 2D वगैरह उतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. सो यू आर स्टेपिंग इन टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ 3D एंड ऑल. ठीक है ना. तो अगर आपको 3D वगैरह में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है एंड आपको इंटरेस्ट है मोशन वीडियोस बनाने में, टेक्स्ट के एनिमेशन, प्रीसेट्स एंड स्क्रैच से चीज़ें बनाना पसंद है, या VFX पसंद है आपको, या कंपोजिटिंग. अगर मैं आपको कोई भी एक रैंडमली आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स का VFX दिखाऊं, ठीक है. सो यूट्यूब पे आपको एंडलेस अमाउंट ऑफ चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. ये देखो, आप किसी ने बनाया है ये. ऐसे एलिमेंट्स आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स के अंदर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सी, इसे हम कहते हैं VFX कंपोजिटिंग. यहाँ पर जो भी हमारी एक्ट्रेस है उस पर ये 2 हार्नेस लगे हुए हैं एंड पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में हमने क्या किया है, इन्हीं दोनों हार्नेस को हमने रिमूव कर दिया है. सी, क्रोमा की आप ग्रीन स्क्रीन से आप नॉर्मल फुटेजेस में इसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. सी, ये होता है अल्फा पास हमारा. एंड डेफिनेटली ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा क्योंकि इसने उसकी मॉडलिंग और अच्छे से नहीं करा. ठीक है. बट हम उससे ज़्यादा भी अच्छी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. जैसे एक ये वीडियो आप देखो, आई होप इसने अच्छा बनाया है. सी, ये कर सकते हो आप आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स के अंदर. आप पूरा का पूरा एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हो. सी, ये टेक्स्ट प्रीसेट भी इसने एनिमेशन करके आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स के अंदर बनाया. सेम एग्जैक्टली. ये कार, ये हाथ की चीज़ें आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, ये सब नकली है. देखो, दिस वॉज द ओरिजिनल. ठीक है ना. ये हाथ में ये लेके हमने एक वीडियो बनाई है एंड पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में हमने हाथ में देखो क्या रख दिया है. सी, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि हम आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स से क्या क्या प्यारी प्यारी चीज़ें क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो वील, अरे ओके, माई कैमरा इज़ ऑफ. ठीक है ना. मैं फटाफट कैमरे को रिचार्ज करता हूँ, नई बैटरी डालता हूँ एंड वील क्विकली डाइव इनटू आवर सॉफ्टवेयर. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डू व्हाट वी विल डू, आई विल ओपन माई आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स. ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू हैव नॉट डाउनलोडेड आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स येट, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट गो इनटू एनी सॉफ्टवेयर, आई मीन एनी ब्राउज़र, एंड सर्च हियर अडोबी. ठीक है ना. अडोबी, लेट्स से as you search Adobe, the first link that comes here is adobe.com. ठीक है ना. You will go into that. Okay, we don't have to do anything, है ना. What we have to do is go into this left column which says apps. ठीक है ना. Here it is written apps. I will quickly click over that. See, here are all the apps that we can download. ठीक है ना. I have a certain plan where I can download certain apps. ठीक है ना. In order to download After Effects, you have to purchase the software. Either you can, what you can do is you can only purchase After Effects, ठीक है ना, by clicking buy over here. And this interface will not show in your desktop if you have not logged in into the software. ठीक है ना. So see, I am in India. So what we have to do is, in order to buy this After Effects, I have to pay 733.96 rupees per month. ठीक है ना. So what happens is, what you can do is either you can buy this software only, ठीक है ना, solely this software, or what you can do is you can buy this Creative Cloud plan, which says it has more than 20 plus apps, ठीक है ना, including Photoshop, Illustrator and so many of all of that, ठीक है ना. But I don't require all of that. So what you can do is just click over here or here, whatever your budget suits, ठीक है ना, and just quickly select this thing and select whatever your thing is, ठीक है ना. And in my option, this option is grayed out because I haven't selected my payment method. But for you can see that continue button over there, ठीक है ना. Or what you can do is go into the students and teacher tab, ठीक है ना. For an example, if you are a student, ठीक है ना, you are a student, so what you can do is you can get this Adobe का, ठीक है ना, Creative Cloud Pro, which was for I guess 2300 rupees. Let me see, ठीक है ना. See, this Creative Cloud Pro per month costs 4071, ठीक है ना. And if you pay for entire year, this will be something around 2714. But what happens if you are a student? If you are a student, just go into this tab, ठीक है ना, and select whatever your preference is, ठीक है ना, annual or build monthly, whatever your things, ठीक है ना. So in that case, what offer you can get is 1037.22. You are getting a discount of more than 50 to 60, 70%, ठीक है ना, only if you are a student, ठीक है ना. And see, the main point of this is Adobe gives you an opportunity if you are a student to use its software. Definitely you will require your student ID for verification purposes, and after you just add your student ID, Adobe will quickly send you a link by which you can download your software. It is totally upon your discretion what you have to do. Either way, what you can do is you can pay monthly for your software, or you can pay for your whole year in one, ठीक है ना. So if you buy this for a year, it will be coming around 12,500 approximately, and per month will cost approximately 1037.22, ठीक है ना. So this is how you can buy your software. After that, what you have to do is you have to download Adobe का Creative Cloud, ठीक है ना. I will click Adobe Creative Cloud download, ठीक है ना. This is the cloud desktop app, ठीक है ना. You have to quickly scroll down, and this is all the things where मतलब how you can basically download your software, ठीक है ना. You go into this link first, go to the Creative Cloud download page. This is coming in blue, which means this is a hyperlink. If you click this, a new window will open. I click this, a new window has been opened, ठीक है ना. See here, automatically it has opened a dialog box inside my PC, and it is asking me where I want to save my downloaded file, ठीक है ना. In order, let's say I want to download it in downloads, ठीक है ना. I'll quickly click save. See, my Creative Cloud setup.exe has been opened. Now what you have to do is just double click this thing, ठीक है ना. As soon as you double click this thing, my Adobe Creative Cloud has been opened. Why it has been opened? Because I already have my system already have Adobe ka Creative Cloud. See Adobe Creative Cloud. I already have this app, ठीक है ना. What you have to do is just click continue and click yes, and it will ask you what just check mark this thing, ठीक है ना, and click continue and do all the things, ठीक है ना, all the things that this software is asking you to. After that, you will get your Adobe Creative Cloud का app downloaded in your system. ठीक है, what we will do, I will quickly go into Creative Cloud. I know there might be some people who can skip this part, who have already downloaded the Creative Cloud का app, but for those who do not know how to download this app, you can watch this thing. ठीक है ना, I am going into very basics. ठीक है, so it is opening, it is taking some time. Okay, I will click done. See, I have not opened this inside this browser. ठीक है ना, now it is opened inside my PC. What you have to do is go into apps. ठीक है ना, either you can download or purchase this software from here. Once you purchase this software, you have to log in into the same email ID. ठीक है ना, see, if you click on the top right button which shows a pie chart, you'll click and see there is an option to sign out. I have already signed in, so it is showing my plan. जो भी मैंने खरीदा है, whatever I have purchased, it is showing me inside of this. ठीक है ना, so in your case there would be an option to say, मतलब if you have purchased the software, there would be an option which says download. ठीक है ना, if you have not downloaded the software, you can use the trial version as well, but the trial version has some certain restrictions which is definitely not up to the mark, because in order to learn After Effects freely and with full confidence, you have to definitely get a full version. ठीक है ना, not a free trial. So once you click download, the software will be downloaded inside your system. ठीक है ना, now where inside your system is the software? Go into the Windows app, just click After Effects. ठीक, so this is my software. I will click on this. ठीक है ना, now my software is currently opening. I am using 2023 version. Definitely I am not using 2025 version, because I found out that there are some certain bugs inside the software of 2025. ठीक है ना, that is the reason I am using 2023. Apart from that, another thing that I want to tell you is dynamic link. ठीक है ना, if you have known Adobe for a while, you must have known that Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects are correlated. ठीक है ना, these two are softwares जो कि आपस में काफ़ी ज़्यादा correlate करते हैं. So if you want to use Adobe Premiere Pro dynamic link with After Effects, you have to get the same version as of Premiere Pro. ठीक है ना, so I had already installed 2023 version. So what I have done is I have installed 2023 version of After Effects as well. ठीक है ना, now if I want to, let's say, use Adobe Audition as well inside our both of the inside our three softwares. ठीक है ना, I have to download Adobe Audition, which is 2023. See, Audition, I have downloaded 2023 version. Why? Because I already know कि in order to dynamic link, I have to download same version of software. ठीक है ना, okay. Once you open the software, this is how it looks. Here are all the files that I have worked, ठीक है ना, on. This shows the days, how many days when was the last time I opened this file? 20 days ago, 2 months ago, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, and 6 months ago. ठीक है ना, so this is the thing it shows, and this is showing the size of this particular file. ठीक है ना, After Effects file. Okay, यहाँ पर हमें कुछ नहीं करना. We don't have to do anything here. What we have to do is we have to quickly create a new project. ठीक है ना, either you can click new project, or if you have an After Effects file, you can click open project. Once I click open project, it asks me where is my After Effects file that I want to open. Since I don't have any, what I will do, I quickly create a new project. ठीक है ना, see, this is the difference between Premiere Pro and After Effects. In Premiere Pro, when you click new project, it asks you where you have to save that particular file. ठीक है ना, but inside After Effects, it doesn't ask you where you have to create this, where you want to save this file, unless you save it manually. ठीक है ना, so this file is inside the cache folder unless you save it. ठीक है ना, so what I will tell you today is the basics of After Effects. ठीक है ना, first let me just see this. ठीक है ना, okay, so this is the default panel. See, I quickly go inside the window folder. ठीक है ना, window, workspace, and you can see all the workspaces that we have here. ठीक है ना. Now we will go into very basics. ठीक है ना, very basics. This is this this is our whole software. ठीक है ना. Now what is the purpose of any of the panels that are visible on the screen? ठीक है ना. I will guide you through each and every panel, but in this video we will cover the very basics only. ठीक है ना. What we will do, we'll understand the project panel first. This is our project panel. If I press the tilde button, ठीक है ना, the tilde button is the button which is below the escape button. Like for an example, this is my mouse, this is my cursor, and I can hover over my timeline. ठीक है ना, not timeline specifically. I can hover over anything. ठीक है ना. This is called hovering. I am hovering my mouse. Wherever my mouse is, let's say my mouse is hovering here. So what will happen if I press tilde key? This panel will become full screen. See, if my mouse is over here, my composition panel will be full screen. If my mouse is here, my project panel will be full screen. If my mouse is effects and presets, my effects and presets wala tab, let it load for some time. My effects and presets wala panel will be full screen. ठीक है ना. So this is the very basics. The first thing that you should understand in the software is that definitely there are so many panels and there must be some persons, ठीक है ना, those who do not have big screens to show all of these panels. ठीक है ना. So in that case you will have to do this full screen वाला setup. ठीक है ना. For an example, if this panel is इतना सा, ठीक है ना, you cannot see anything over here. So what you have to do is you have to press the tilde key in order to see all of the files that you have currently imported inside your software. ठीक है ना. So we'll quickly resize it down. Nothing has been changed yet. Okay. So we will cover the very basics. This is called the project tab. Now what is a project tab? Project tab shows each and every media. Here media means an asset, which means a video. It can be a photo or anything. Let me make my camera full screen. ठीक है ना. So what is a media? A media can be a video, a photo, an audio, a PNG file, a JPEG file, a Premiere Pro की sequence, an After Effects की sequence, or a Photoshop की sequence. Anything that can be imported inside a software, inside After Effects, can be termed as a media. Now, another term that I will use here in our whole series is asset. Now, what is an asset? Asset definitely means, asset basically means something that provides some addition to our clip, an addition to our project. ठीक है ना. Assets are the media that we use inside our clip. For an example, I have 10 video, that 10 videos, 2 photos and 1 audio. This means these all are assets. ठीक है ना. So these are called the assets that are required in order to make a perfect video. ठीक है ना. We'll go inside a software once again. ठीक है. This is our software. Now here you can see nothing. Why? Because I haven't imported any media inside my project panel. So what you have to do is you will have to gather your media. What sort of things you would like to make. For an example, you want to make a video or you want to do color grading or VFX compositing in certain thing. ठीक है ना. Let's say this is my video. What I'll do is I want to edit this video. ठीक है. I quickly mute this clip. ठीक है ना. I want to color grade this clip. Let's say for an example, I use After Effects to color grade this clip. Or let's say I want to change this color of the sky. So what I'll do, I'll use After Effects for that. Now, if I play this clip is playing perfectly. Now, in order to work on this clip, I'll have to import this clip inside my software. There are 2 options. I mean, possibly 3 options, which is, you see this blank space over here. Either you can right click, select import and select files. And what you can do is you go into, let's say, downloads, and let's say I want to import this clip. ठीक है ना. I'll select this clip and click import. See, my clip has been imported inside this software. Now if I double click on this, there is a new panel that has been opened. If I double click this thing, see, I can hover. This is called the playhead. This blue marker that you see over here is called a playhead. ठीक है ना? If I mark this clip, if I hover through the playhead, you can see this thing that my video is being played. ठीक है ना? And the green thing that you are seeing is the cache. The CPU is using cache, ठीक है ना, is making a playable version of this file in order to play that, ठीक है ना. So here you can see how much of your video do you want to use, ठीक है ना. Now my video has been imported. Another way to import is just click Ctrl and I on the keyboard. Now let's say I want to import an audio. This is the audio, ठीक है ना. This is the recent movie Mahavatar Narsimha. I'll quickly click this audio and I click import. See, my audio has now been imported. Same, I can hover through this, or if I want to hear what is playing inside this thing, I can play spacebar. Okay, so if I play this thing, the audio plays, ठीक है ना. Same goes for this. Okay, and how am I playing this thing? I am pressing spacebar on my keyboard, ठीक है ना. I am pressing spacebar on my keyboard. Another way to import our assets or media inside our project panel is to drag and drop. I'll quickly go into the downloads folder, select a clip, drag it, go into the After Effects and drop it. Another way is I drag this thing over here, ठीक है ना. I press Alt plus Tab and I press Tab once again. See, this has been selected. Now I'll release the Alt key. See, now you can import this thing. So there are multiple ways to import. I'm probably sure that you get to know all of that. ठीक है ना. This thing is clear to all of you. Now, what we will understand is how to save our project panel. ठीक है ना. How to save our project. Definitely, this is an Adobe software, so there might be some crashes. There are chances that your project is gonna crash. In order to save your project, what you have to do is you have to save your project. What I'll do, I'll press Ctrl and S. Go into the folder where I want to save my files. Okay, let's say I go into this thing, ठीक है ना, and I'll click select after, let's say not here, ठीक है ना. I'll go into recorded classes, new folder, after effects rec classes, ठीक है ना. I guess the spelling is wrong. And now I'll quickly rename my file, which is After Effects REC, which means recorded, ठीक है ना. I'll click save. See, my project is now saved. Where if you can what you can do is just a YouTube video, you can go 10 seconds behind or 20 seconds behind. You can see untitled project written over here. As soon as I save this, the untitled project is deleted and now it is saved in this directory, ठीक है ना. I can see where I have saved my file. I'll go into this PC. Okay, see, there's nothing. Oh, वो जगह नहीं बची मेरे PC में. I'll go into DBE files, client works, a bit higher, and select recorded classes, After Effects, and see, this is my After Effects की recorded file. This is my After Effects recorded file. Now, this is the project panel. Definitely, I'll full screen this thing. There are multiple things that you can see over here, ठीक है ना. First is the name of your file. You can drag this. Let's say if you are not able to see this thing, you can drag this thing accordingly. You can minimize this thing. You can see the type. What kind of file is this? This panel shows the size of the image. I mean your media, and this is the media duration. What is the duration of this video? And this is the file path where this media has been stored. ठीक है ना. Now let's say you want to see more of these things. What you can do is you can right click on this panel, click columns, and see you can add whatever things you want to see. ठीक है ना? Let's say for an example I want to see frame rate. So as soon as I click frame rate, there is a new window that has been appeared, and this says frame rate. This video is 24 fps and this is 30 fps. See, this is 24 and this is 30 fps. So it's upon totally your discretion ki what you want to see and not see. ठीक है ना? I'll quickly deselect this. I don't want to see this. ठीक है ना? Now, what we will do, in order to work on these things, we have to create a timeline. Now, what is a timeline? Timeline is specifically an area where all of your editing happens. ठीक है ना? Definitely in this video, I'm not going to tell you about that timeline because it is very necessary for you to first understand the basic interface of the software. Timeline would be told you in the next class. ठीक है ना? Now, if we come into the interface, here is the file panel. You can do many things over here. You can create a new project. ठीक है ना? Now, what is a team project? A team project is a project where multiple person work on the same project. ठीक है ना? Let's say you have a team of 2 people or let's say 4 people. So you create a new team project, and whatever changes that a person is applying on that particular project will be applied on all 4 of those members. ठीक है ना? On that particular project as well. ठीक है? So there is a manual option to save your video, save your project as well. ठीक है ना? This is a save option. This is grayed out because we have already saved these things. ठीक है ना? We go into the edit. These are the options that are particularly related to your software. ठीक है ना? Or your timeline basically. Apart from that, the composition, layer, effects, animation, view, window, and help to just leave that help panel. Apart from edit, file, and help, and basically what I was telling you, composition, layer, effect, animation, view, and window panels are totally related to editing. ठीक है ना? This has nothing to do with the software. These are all effects and presets already available to you in order to make your video. ठीक है ना? Now, we will go into the workspaces. Now, what is a workspace? Workspaces shows what you have to do in the software. ठीक है ना? Let's say I click on window, go into workspace. This is a all panel. Let's say if I click all panels, see my workspace has been changed. I am getting all of these panels that are available over here. Another workspace is color. See, you can see nothing over here because I haven't created a new composition still. ठीक है ना? This is called the Lumetri scope. For an example, let's say I am adding. ठीक है ना? See, I'll tell you how I did all of this. ठीक है ना? See, this is the Lumetri scope. This is telling how much of red color, yellow color, green color, blue color is inside this composition, inside this video. ठीक है ना? See, it is changing as well. So this is the color tab. Window workspace. This is the color workspace where you can easily color your videos. ठीक है ना? Apart from that, there is a animation as well. See, now why this is an animation workspace? Because see, all of these things, frame rate, skip, play from, all of these things are related to animation as well. This says you can move into next frame. See, you can edit each and every frame. This is the last frame, this is the first frame, and you press this thing, this is playing, next frame, next frame, next frame. ठीक है ना? You can edit each and single second, microsecond of this clip over here. So this is the animation workspace. Apart from that, this is the default workspace that I always use. I have all of my panels covered over here. ठीक है ना? This is my workspace and I find it pretty simple to use it. Apart from that, you have this effects panel. See, effects and preset tab is opened over here. Effect controls is visible over here. This is the project panel. This is the effect control panel. Another is essential graphics. See, this is our composition. So what it basically does is, it makes you see. Let's say okay. ठीक है. What it basically does is, it gives you each and every column. ठीक है ना? Each and every window that you require to do that certain thing. Let's say in order to color grade your footage, you require color scopes. So what if you click workspace, go into the color, it is showing you the lumetri scopes automatically. You don't have to go into windows and select lumetri scopes. You just have to go into workspace, select color. ठीक है ना. Apart from that we have very 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 मतलब बहुत सारे टाइप के आपको चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. ठीक है ना. मोशन ट्रैकिंग, पेंट. You can paint also inside the software. But what I basically do is let's say for one thing more, you have a small screen. ठीक है ना. You will select the small screen. What it does is it contracts all of the windows inside your. मतलब basically it helps you. ठीक है ना. It helps you gather all of the windows inside your small screen as well. What I do is I obviously select default. ठीक है ना. This is my default workspace. Let's say for an example, I mute this clip. ठीक है ना. I don't want to hear this clip. Now, what you can do is, we have understood what is a workspace. ठीक है ना. These are all workspaces. Let's say for an example, you can create a custom workspace as well. For an example, I don't want this content aware fill panel. What I'll do is, I'll quickly click on these three things, select close panel. So see, now this panel is deactivated. You can't see that content aware fill panel. Now if you want to make that content aware panel reappear, you go into window, see content aware fill and click this thing. See, we'll go into once again this check mark. This check mark means there is this panel visible over here. ठीक है ना. So this is our panel. ठीक है. Apart from that, let's say you want some changes to happen. You want this project window not to be here but here on the right side of the screen. What you can do is drag this thing and drop this thing here. See, now our project panel is here. Now let's say if you close your software and relaunch it, what will happen? This project panel will automatically go back into this place. Why? Because you have not created a custom workspace for that. In order to create a custom workspace, in order to save this thing over here, you have to go into window, workspace, and set this to save as new workspace. ठीक है ना. Yeah, save as new workspace. Just ask what is the name of this workspace. You can choose any of your name, select OK. Apart from that, what you can do is, if you are inside this default panel, ठीक है ना, and you select save changes to this workspace, this will not require any new name. Why? Because it is not asking you to make it as a new workspace. It is asking you to override this workspace. ठीक है ना. If you click save changes to this workspace, this will override this workspace. ठीक है ना, this default workspace. So I don't want to do any of that. I will quickly drag this thing back to here only. ठीक है ना, on the very left. Perfect. ठीक है ना. So this was the overview of all of the workspaces. What kind of workspaces is of that? ठीक है ना. Okay. Now let's say for an example, I have not created a composition because I haven't told you how to create a composition, which I will definitely not tell you in this video. We will cover that into our next video. ठीक है ना. Okay. So once you open this thing, I'll quickly give you a brief about that, what we will understand in our next class. ठीक है ना. The main thing is, there are two options, new composition and new composition from footage. Now what are these two things? If I click new composition, this asks me what should be the resolution of my composition. ठीक है ना. What kind of composition do I want to make? Let's say if I want to make for vertical, like for Instagram reels, or do I want to make for social media landscape, ठीक है ना, like this, what you are watching right now. So this is called a composition. It is asking me what kind of composition, what resolution I want to make my composition in. So I'll select my composition. All of that will be told inside our next video. ठीक है ना. So either what you can do is this, click new composition and create a custom width and height resolution, or what you can do is click create new composition from footage. This opens a dialog box. What will happen if I select this video? This will say this video will be imported inside our composition. See, import, and see, the frame is automatically aligned to this. This is vertical. Whereas if I delete this composition and I click new composition, click OK. And now if I import this thing over here, the same footage, see what is happening. See, it is not in perfect size. ठीक है ना? So what we do is new composition from footage, click this. See, this has the same resolution of our old that thing. ठीक है ना? This is the thing. This is the difference between open a new composition and new composition from footage. ठीक है? Okay. These are the above these things that you can see is a shortcut. ठीक है ना? Shortcuts of your windows, the workspaces. ठीक है ना? You can select small screen from here as well, go into default from here as well. ठीक है ना? तो all of the settings you can see over here. ठीक है ना? This is a shortcut. ठीक है? Apart from that, this has nothing to do with any of us. ठीक है ना? These are all the tools that are available. This is the normal selection tool. This is the hand tool, which is required to move our composition. This is the zoom tool, camera, orbit. These are all 3D tools. ठीक है ना? This is also rotation tool for 3D. This is the anchor, pan behind, and anchor point. Definitely, anchor point will be told you inside the next video and some videos after. ठीक है ना? This is the shape tool, shape, pen tool, rectangle tool, text tool to type our text. This is the brush tool. This is the clone stamp tool. This is the eraser tool, and this is the roto brush tool. Roto brush is very important inside After Effects. This is a bit advanced concept, but definitely this is important. And apart from that, this is the puppet position pin tool. This is also a creative tool. We will understand this thing, ठीक है ना? In our further videos. The After Effects software is very, very, very intriguing for me. ठीक है ना? I have been using this software for more than 6 to 7 years, almost 7 years. ठीक है ना? So I know each and everything about this software, and I definitely personally love this software. ठीक है ना? So these are all some settings that you can see over here. ठीक है ना? All these things will be told you धीरे धीरे inside our next video. ठीक है ना? I don't want to make this lecture very heavy, so we will end this lecture here only. ठीक है ना? I have told you the basics of workspaces and what kind of workspaces are there. There are many workspaces. In order to particularly go into that particular workspace, if you want to color, you can use the color workspace. If you want to edit videos or animate videos or use the paint option, you can go into that particular workspace as well. So this was the basics of our first class. Now, one thing I want to tell you all, that is you will definitely get certificates for completing this Adobe After Effects beginner class. That certificate is very, very, very important in order to build your portfolio. So in order to get a completion certificate, you have to submit some kind of assignments that we will provide to you. We will provide you assignments in each and every lecture. Definitely this is the first lecture, and I have told you about the interface, so there would be no assignment for this lecture, but definitely from the upcoming videos will have specific kind of lectures available in that. I will tell you about those assignments and lectures. Definitely you have to complete those assignments in the given deadline. If you don't complete that assignments in the given deadline, there might be a chance that you don't get the certificate as well. Okay? So I am encouraging you to complete those assignments in the given deadline in order to get that certificate. Apart from that, any suggestions, any type of compliments, and anything that you want particularly for me to teach you all are definitely appreciated. You can comment down below whatever you want to learn, whatever specific things you want to learn, or whatever suggestions you have for me. I will definitely check them out. And this was it for the first lecture. We will understand and learn more things in our second lecture as well. Thank you for joining in this lecture. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. This was it for the video. We will meet in the next lecture. Tab tak ke liye take care and always keep creating.